Sunday, September 8th, looking at the Astro Excel for the coming week. We start out Sunday here, Sunday evening just below the 0 line. Looking at the green line here first, we've got upward pressure all the way through Monday. As we move into Tuesday, we flatten out, generally averaging in the plus 15 area. Coming into Wednesday morning, we start to push down all the way through Wednesday, cross below the 0 line, end up in negative territory on Thursday, just below the 0 line, hanging out about -5 all the way through Thursday and Friday, and then it starts to push up on Saturday. The important blue peaks are here on Monday at 1300, and then later in the evening at 2000. On Tuesday we have a big low here at the -20 at 2000. A low Wednesday morning at 4 a.m. Next important peak is early in the evening Thursday at 1800. And then the other ones are inside the 10s. This one is after the close Friday. One other thing I'm going to show on the video today. Remember, before I get into that though, remember you always want to be paying attention to when the lines are in sync. So this area here on Monday from 9 a.m. where the green line turns up, 9 a.m. until 1 in the afternoon, 1300, where both lines are traveling sharply together. Those are the areas you want to look at for confirmation. Now I'm going to bring in some of the Vedic trend segments. I've shown these in videos in the past. I'm just marking the time periods on this chart. So we have them on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. I've got those marked with these reddish brown lines. So on Monday, we've got a key period for an uptrend from 12:30 until the close. It's 16:15. So from 12:30 Monday to the close Monday, we've got some strong bullishness set up by the key planet. On Tuesday, we have a similar period from 10:23 to 14:01. So from 10:23 to 14:01 on Tuesday is a bullish period. On Wednesday, we're looking at 11:42 to 1:09. So just about an hour and a half there. What we're going to get is a zigzag. We're going to get a double move. We're going to get a push up, a reaction, then a push up again to the end of that period. That is happening on Wednesday. And then the last key zone for trend segment for the key planet this week is on Friday. And on Friday, that period is from 10:34 to 11:56. So it's similar to the Wednesday pattern, only 10:34 to just about noon on Friday. That also coincides with the green line and the blue line turning up. So that's an important trend segment for Friday. So those of you who have the perfect storm book will know what this is in the Excel sheet that this comes from. So you can refer to that sheet. That's our KP Planet Dignities sheet. So that will show you these important trends.